Hello everyone, this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited, and today I've got a 2016, this is a Nissan Sentra SV. I'm going to do a walk around and startup of this vehicle. These are consistently between 30 miles a gallon city and 40 highway. This is a Nissan's, I think, next up from the Versa. Really good looking car, comes in this black color. Wheels and tires are in nice shape. Especially it's got a lot of tread on the wheels. Sorry for the glare here. Now these tires look almost new. I'll start over here. Power windows, got cup holders in the door cards. Seats look in really nice condition. This is just a standard top car, no sunroof. Alright. Back here, seats look nice. Like I said, lots of tread on those tires. I'll look in back here, and these are quite big trunks, and I'm actually quite surprised. The seats do fold down, so you do have some pass-through into the cabin area of the vehicle. So if you're familiar with Nissans, you do have these keys that sense they're in your pocket or your purse, and you just put your finger on it and it unlocks the doors or locks the cars. If you're leaving, power windows, power locks, and it looks like you have your mirror and stuff on the dash here. You have your illumination of the dash, your fold-in mirrors, and of course your trunk button. Down here, Eco Sport or Sport mode, or you can take your traction control off. I do not recommend, unless you're that capable of a driver. I've got the key in my pocket already. I'm just gonna hit the start button there. Got this fancy little display that comes up that shows your car. Got 97,405 miles on the Odo, about a half tank of gas. AC, I've got it on max. Kind of a warm day today, and it feels really nice. On your steering wheel, you have your cruise control, and you have your info settings, and then of course your Bluetooth connectivity. Really a nice little car. Get your mirror extensions, which is kind of a nice little feature. I like that. But yeah, it's got power windows, locks, cruise, tilt, AC, power outlet right there. Another USB and aux port there. A couple more cup holders. And then, of course, your stereo. It's just stock. So, very nice. So this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. If you're interested in this car or any other vehicles that are on our lot, please give us a call. We use credit unions, national banks, lenders that work with bad credit and no credit. We also do some in-house financing on vehicles. It's actually pretty roomy. Oh, and if you have any questions, put some comments down below, or give us a call, 360-273-0711. And yeah, come check out this car. Really nice. Oh, I forgot. When you turn off most Nissan products, like Nissan, the Maxima, Altima, Sentra and stuff, they give you stats, like kind of like a video game. You turn off and it shows you current, like fuel mileage is 34.8, best is 39.9. Of course, you'll have to reset that when you purchase this vehicle, so that way it just kind of it tracks your behavioral driving. Of course, when you open the door, it turns off and lets you know that the door is open. So, anyways, fun little tidbit. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, once again, give us a call, shoot some comments down below. Thanks for watching.